Beautiful garden pathways, rustic designs that invite nature inside. Introduction: Crafting a rustic garden pathway. Welcome to the Grand Mansion, your source for rustic home inspiration. Today, we're diving into how rustic garden pathways can create inviting outdoor spaces that connect seamlessly with nature. Whether you're enhancing your backyard or building a new garden path, rustic designs using natural materials like wood and stone bring warmth, charm, and character to any garden. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more rustic home ideas, and feel free to like the video and share your thoughts in the comments below. Natural materials for a timeless look. Rustic pathways are built using organic, durable materials that blend effortlessly into the landscape. Common choices include flagstone, gravel, wood, and bark. Each material offers its own unique charm. Flagstones create an organic, natural flow, while gravel is flexible and low maintenance. Wooden pathways, especially those crafted from reclaimed wood, add warmth and history to the space. With each material, the goal is to create a pathway that feels like a natural extension of the environment, evolving and aging. The magic of curved pathways. Unlike formal, straight paths, rustic garden pathways often feature soft, meandering curves that mimic the shapes of nature. These gentle curves invite exploration, encouraging a sense of discovery in the garden. When designing your path, consider the natural contours of the land, and allow the pathway to flow around existing features like trees, shrubs, or water elements. The result is a pathway that feels organic, leading visitors on a peaceful journey through your garden. Blurring the lines with native plants. Rustic pathways should blend seamlessly with the surrounding landscape, and one of the best ways to achieve this is by planting native plants along the edges. Low-growing ground covers, such as creeping thyme or moss, can soften the hard edges of stone or gravel, while taller plants like lavender or ornamental grasses create texture and interest. Native plants thrive naturally, require less maintenance, and reinforce the connection between the garden and its natural surroundings. Stone pathways, texture and durability. Stone is a popular choice for rustic garden pathways due to its natural beauty and durability. Flagstones, irregular slabs, or even cobblestones can be arranged to create a path with character and charm. Local stones blend even more seamlessly with the environment, making the path feel as if it's always been there. The variations in stone texture and color add a rich, tactile quality to the pathway, offering both visual interest and a sturdy surface. Wooden pathways, bringing warmth to the outdoors. Wooden pathways add warmth and rustic appeal to your garden. Reclaimed or weathered wood, in particular, brings an element of history and charm, with each plank telling its own story. Wood can be used as a continuous walkway or mixed with gravel for a more dynamic design. Over time, the wood will naturally age, enhancing the rustic aesthetic and blending even more harmoniously with the garden. For longevity, consider using rot-resistant varieties like cedar or redwood. Gravel paths, casual and easy to maintain. Gravel is an excellent option for rustic pathways, offering a casual, relaxed feel that complements any garden style. Crushed gravel or small pebbles create a loose, flexible surface that works well with curved paths. The material is easy to install and maintain, just rake it occasionally to keep it looking fresh. Adding edging, such as natural stone or metal, can help define the path while maintaining its rustic appeal. Lighting your garden pathway. Lighting can transform your rustic garden pathway, providing both ambience and functionality. Rustic-style lighting, such as lanterns or solar-powered lights, enhances the natural beauty of the path while guiding visitors along the way. Soft, warm lighting can highlight the textures of stone, wood, or gravel, creating a magical atmosphere in the evening. Position the lights to illuminate key areas while maintaining a subtle, rustic charm. creating a journey with focal points. A well-designed garden pathway should lead visitors to focal points, whether it's a beautiful tree, a fountain, or a seating area. Rustic paths often have resting spots along the way, such as benches or stone slabs, where people can pause and enjoy the surroundings. Each curve or turn can reveal a new view or feature, encouraging exploration and making the garden feel like an ever-unfolding journey. Conclusion: embracing rustic charm. Rustic garden pathways offer a wonderful opportunity to invite nature into your outdoor spaces, creating a harmonious connection between your garden and the natural world. By choosing natural materials, designing with curves, and incorporating native plants, you can create pathways that feel organic and timeless. Whether you opt for stone, wood, or gravel, rustic pathways bring warmth and character to your garden. Don't forget to subscribe to the Grand Mansion for more rustic home inspiration, like this video,